The madness of the gospel. We preach Christ crucified. 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 23. One of the great needs in the church today is for every Christian to become enthusiastic about his faith in Jesus Christ. This is the essence of vital spiritual experience. The apostles had been with Christ, and they could not help but testify to that which they had seen and heard. Every Christian should become an ambassador of Christ with the splendid abandon of Francis of Assisi. Every Christian should be so intoxicated with Christ and so filled with holy fervor that nothing could ever quench his ardor. The gospel that Paul preached seemed madness to the world of his day. Let us have this madness. Let us capture some of the magnificent obsession that these early Christians had. Let us go forth as men and women filled with the Spirit of God. Prayer for the day. Create in me, Lord, the abandonment to reach out unreservedly with the message of your love.